Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming hardware and carrier support for 5G voice and handover. This matters because not all networks allow live switching. Once done, enable 5G and keep mobile data active. Wi-Fi calling may stay on but can affect routing. Make the call, and while connected, pull down quick settings and change the preferred network to 5G SA or 5G NSA. You do this so signaling shifts to the 5G anchor without dropping voice, which depends on your phone's modem and operator policies. You now focus on the handover mechanics. As the phone negotiates, watch the status bar for LTE to 5G change. That confirms the core switched. Make sure you do not force radio resets like airplane mode because that tears down the call path. Instead, let the modem manage dual connectivity and SRVCC or VoNR migration. If you see brief audio glitches, keep background data light and avoid large uploads because lower CPU and network load speeds the signaling and reduces the chance of a call drop. You finish by confirming the call now uses 5G. Listen for improved audio clarity and check the 5G or VoNR indicator for verification. If quality is poor or the call drops, first toggle mobile data to restart the radio stack. That often restores seamless handover without a full reboot. If problems persist, note time, location, and symptoms so you can hand them to carrier support, because many issues stem from incomplete VoNR rollout or misconfigured network slices, rather than your device alone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.